morning, students. Welcome to our school Papa Schools for online classes. Here is Naresh Verma, English teacher. Our today's topic is narration. We will continue this topic because this topic has been started before some days for class 9 to 12th. Today we will discuss the narration of exclamatory sentences. So part 1 of exclamatory sentences. First of all, I would like to tell you that the reporting verb plus alas will be converted into exclaimed with sorrow because alas is the expression of sorrow. Next is hooray plus said changed into exclaimed with joy, and bravo plus said changed into applauded because this is the expression of praise. So with the help of examples we will come to know. He said, alas, I am ruined. So this is the expression of sorrow. So he exclaimed with sorrow. That condition will be that here, and I according to he will be he was because the tense will be changed here, present into past. Was ruined. Next is they said, hooray, we have won the match. So they exclaimed with joy that we according to they will be they, and have will be had won the match. Third one is he said, bravo, you have done well. He applauded because this is the expression of praise or applause. Applauded that, and use second person according to object of the reporting verb, but here in this sentence reporting verb there is no object, so we can assume here object of third person or first person. But if first person is given in the reporting verb, first person in the place of subject, so we cannot assume the object of first person. We can assume object of first person only when first person is not available here in the place of subject. So here this is third person, so we can assume here me. So according to me will be I, have will be had, I had won, I had done well. Okay. Second type of exclamatory sentences, when the whole sentence is exclamatory. In the previous part we have studied that the only first word or only one word was exclamatory, and here the whole sentence is exclamatory. That's why here we have put the sign of exclamation at the last of the sentence. So what are or how will be converted into very in the formation of affirmative assertive sentences from exclamatory one, because before changing into indirect speech we have to convert exclamatory sentences into assertive one. So, with the help of example we will understand. He said, what a beautiful rain. So he exclaimed. Said will be converted into exclaimed. Exclaimed or exclaimed with surprise you can do. He exclaimed, conjunction will be that, and this sentence will be converted first into assertive one. So here the subject is rain, the rain, and this is the sentence actually, what a beautiful rain is. So is will be converted into was, and what a will be very beautiful. So what a beautiful rain will be converted into the rain is very beautiful, and the indirect speech of rain is beautiful is the rain was beautiful because is will be was. Next one is they said, what a great man he was. So they exclaimed that he was, he third person no change, so he was a great man. You also can do here was into had been. Okay. She said, what a fool you are. So she exclaimed that he was a great fool. Okay. Because a fool is noun. When what a or how follows any adjective, you will convert what are and how into very. And if any noun is there, because a fool is noun, so after what if any noun is there, what will be converted into great? So she exclaimed that he was a great fool. He said how tall the tree is. So answer will be, he exclaimed that the tree was very tall. Okay.